Naked Besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your girl is back with another tutorial, and this time we're going to be doing a twist crop top. I'll be working with 1/2 yard of fabric, and I will be double folding that, so I will have 2 long pieces. I then measure at 21 inches in length and cut. You're now going to cut to separate the folded fabric. I'm just cleaning my edges up just a little more. I'm now shaping the edges to make it a little more narrow. This is actually shaping the part that goes around your neck, so it'd be a little more thinner than thick. Here I am checking the measurement for the width of the bust, which is 6.5 inches. Now you will see me cut a slit in the center of the back of the top so I can line up the fabric evenly. Now I'm going to pin the fabric facing the main sides. Here you can see that when I cut the fabric on the fold, that this part did not cut, but it's okay. You can just continue to just pin that in place. Now I'll be using 1/4 of an inch of elastic. You're now going to sew the elastic in on the same side of the top. So on the side that I'm sewing now, and then turn it around to sew it on the next side. So both elastic goes on the same side. If you made it this far into the video, please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking the video, and dropping a comment if you love the top or if you love the tutorials so far. I really appreciate it. Thank you. and just continue to pin the elastic in place. Yes, I did run out of elastic, so I'm just using what I have, and that is completely fine because this fabric has great durability, great stretch, so it's totally fine. The elastic is just used for extra security. So let's go ahead and remove all the pins and then flip your top inside out. Once you've done that, we're now going to find the openings on the ends of the top, and we're going to put both seams together and pin them in place. Keep in mind, guys, that you do not need a serger for this tutorial. A single stitch machine would do just fine. You're gonna now close that opening by stitching it all the way around. We're gonna finish sealing this opening by going on the straight machine and straight stitching completely across. This top is very simple, very easy to make, and it's very inexpensive. Half yard of this fabric costs about $4. This look you can wear to the pool, to the beach, You could wear this basically anywhere you want to. You could dress this up with jeans. It's just a nice top to have all around in other colors as well. So yeah, stay tuned for the vinyl look. Thank you so much for spending your time with me on this quick tutorial today. Bye.